yesterday was a crazy day, and I'm starting to get back into it. But yesterday was probably the worst time to start, but the best time to start at the same time. I mean, there's a SMF, or what was it called? The music festival that we were supposed to have here down in Tampa, Florida, got canceled. Everybody was all about, I mean, it was crazy how many people were actually hitting up Uber. Downtown was horrible. It was flooding. It was torrential downpour. I was just like, it was just plain ridiculous. But let me show you guys what went down. This is ridiculous. I'm working and it is raining hard as heck. I was talking to this guard for what seemed like forever. She did not even get out of the little building that she was in. And I had to like continuously put down my window, pull up my window, put down my window, pull up my window. First question, where are you going? What's the address? What's the name of the person? I don't know anybody but the name of that person. And I'm just like, I'm getting wet here, bro. I was like, yo, just call them. They said that they know that I was coming. So, yeah. So she called, I got in, and everything was good. But I was soaked after that. It was ridiculous. That was ridiculous. Man, these streets are like flooded beyond flood. I was just like, let's just take a different route. But yeah, downtown now. I'm doing some rides, and it looks like it's cleared up. I think it stopped raining because now it's pretty. Florida weather for you. It's clearing. It's clearing, guys. It's clearing. Whoa. Isn't this the street? That's ridiculous. This is the street that was like extremely flooded, and now it's not. Now I gotta pick up food. It's not raining anymore, but okay. Please pay meter box located at Twig's entrance. We're gonna try to do this as quickly as possible. Needless to say, I did it. Oh, look at the little puppy without the leash. It's really nice out here now. Look at the sky. Coffee house, social bar. I got hit in the rain. I'm trying to get hit. It's a red light. Awkward. Look at the puppy! The puppy! Little chihuahua. And I'm at the Tampa bus. What's going on? All of this. Are they all tied up? Oh, they're all tied up? That's even dope. All this stuff right here. There's some more stuff. Look at Taco Bus.
And you can find street parking. It's free.
This lady right here made me pay the $12 to be in that parking spot for less than 10 minutes. She said that every car that paid for it was her baby, and that if somebody were to break into my car, she could not stop them. The whole thought in my head was, what are you gonna do? Throw popcorn at them?
For 6 hours, man.
Yeah.
6 hours.
I've only been here for like 10 minutes and I'm leaving, so.
And you paying
$12, yeah. I was just trying to pick up food.
Yeah. Now you can pick up food 5 or 6 times. Get somebody carpool.
Okay, so I just take this with me and I'm good for the rest of the day?
Yes.
Next 6 hours?
That's right. And you're leaving now?
I'm leaving now. I'm not coming back. Busted. Bro. This lady. Bro, I got paid $12 for this parking ticket. $12. That was my day yesterday. You have a fantastic week. See you guys.